Hi, welcome back to Chameleon Switch. Here's my new. One is called We Are One. It is Aboriginal Australian anthem tie-in. And the other one is Medicinal Naturally. Hope you enjoy it. Please stay tuned.
Like the bars, bitch, I've had the privilege to become. I'll create my dream and sing positivity. I am my own unity.
Okay, apologies for the little bit of a disturbance there. For some reason it was just being vocally, wouldn't even know the words right now. So I'm going to silence those two. And I'm going to... This evil cunt. Okay. Right, and then this one I absolutely adore. Right back to the start. Yeah. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Wait. Jesus Christ. Oh, my head. You know how some days you feel like a chookless head? That's me today. Just a little bit, but on me. Merry fucking go away. Right, let's try this again. It's driving me bonkers. 3, 2, 1, and go.
I don't know what you had about me, but medicinal green is no naturally. God's gift to us perfectly empty. Motherfucker, yes, please, C-O-N-E. I love it, I love it, I love it. And when I smoke the clouds flow, the clouds flow, the clouds flow into pretty colors. The effects go, the effects go, the effects go. I will follow thee. I will follow thee where you may dwell. The river of mountains is steep. I feel so high, it can keep us away from your heart. Yeah. I love it, I love it, I love it. And when I smoke the clouds flow, into pretty colors. The effects go, the effects go, the effects go.
Alright. Thank you. Now, let's see. Can anyone recognize that artist? Can anyone recognize these movie soundtracks? Yo, hit me in the comments now, okay? So can anyone recognize this? And can anyone recognize this? Okay? Hit me in the comments. I'll see you later. Peace out. Excuse my fingers.